Hey guys, Jim the E2 class tank engine here. Today I have a one custom. So it's Murdoch. So yeah, this Murdoch is made out of a all-engines go push along yon bow. And this tender is made out of a classic Trackmaster 2 Murdoch. Yaw bow tender. Right. His nameplate and his face and his buffers. And the buffer being red, his pistons, or cylinder, and his wheels, and his cab, and his tender details, and it says MW wire on this tender, and this back of his tender, this black lining, and the other side of his Murdoch tender, and his cab windows, and a cardboard. I had a little cardboard on cab, and so yeah, this is my custom Murdoch. So thanks for watching and have a great day with this. And see you all with some videos, unboxing, review, and first run, and the collection of my engines. So see you all with another in some other videos.